Hey guys, welcome to Cigar Box. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Secret Santa gift that I received from a friend of mine. We are on a WhatsApp group that everyone gets a person at random, and you send them a Secret Santa gift. So without further ado, let's open this up and see what's inside. Very well packed. Okay. With all this packaging. Very nice. Wow. Very fancy. I'm going to open this later. Let's start off with the first gift. Opening up it. And what do we have here? This is I believe a cigar box. Let's open this up and see what goodies we have in here. This is very well sealed. Okay, let's see what sticks we have here. No way. Hold on. Okay. First off, we have an incredible Trinidad Fundadores. Wow. This is such an incredible gift, I can't believe this. Next we have a Rafael Gonzalez, I believe this is a Pantella Extra. I don't want to be mistaken. That's incredible. The next stick we have is a Kedose 50. Now, interesting, I actually gave someone for my Secret Santa this exact stick. Quite cool. Then we have a Quintero. There's two of them. I believe one is a vintage and one is new. That's pretty cool. And finally we have a Romeo Julieta. I believe this is a Mil Flor, but I might be mistaken, they have so many lines. Wow. This is amazing, thank you. Let's carry on. Hold on. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. This is a 3D printed cigar holder. Space for two cigars with some holes. Wow, this is so cool. Let's carry on. Oh wow, so many goodies. Very well packed, I must say. This is bomb-proof. Oh wow. This is a cigar holder in the shape of a sports car. Very heavy, it's made out of steel. That is very cool. Thank you again. Don't feel like I deserve all of this. Yeah, this is the final one, I believe. Feels like a beverage. Oh wow. It's a bottle of whiskey. Toshan. I'm not sure if I'm butchering this name, but I've actually had this one before. This is a really good whiskey. Wow. I am completely blown away. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I really, really appreciate it.